Galpin Ford is the #1 volume dealership in the world for 23 consecutive years. We have the largest inventory of new Fords to choose from. Here's the vehicle for you.
Pickup trucks have been playing follow the leader for over 40 years, and Ford F-150 is the undisputed champion. Rock-solid durability, up to the nanosecond technology, and jaw-dropping capability. That's how you get to be America's best-selling pickup truck. Choose from 7 models in numerous cab, box, and engine options to fit your needs. F-150 is the class leader in maximum payload capacity and was awarded a 5-star overall crash test rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The body and box are made from high-strength military-grade aluminum alloys, so the F-150 is tough, lightweight, and efficient. Thanks to the available class-exclusive Pro Trailer Backup Assist, backing up a trailer is as easy as turning a knob. And when it comes time to tow, put the F-150's best-in-class 13,200-pound max tow rating to work. Available Sync 3 brings Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone capability and voice-activated navigation to an LCD touchscreen. Available Sync Connect adds a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 10 devices. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build an F-150 that's all yours. The Ford F-150. Put one on your crew today.
Great deals, great service, and great people. That's what makes family-owned and operated Galpin Ford #1. Proudly serving the Los Angeles area for over 60 years. Galpin Ford has thousands of vehicles, and to better assist our customers, a friendly professional staff that speaks 21 different languages. When you visit, be sure and take advantage of our many amenities, including the horseless carriage restaurant and full-service Starbucks. Call, click, or visit Galpin Ford today. We are conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.